Choti Bahu is very very bold. This I do not want to disclose. I'm stunned. I'm still shocked. Yeah, ये script करनी है, ये कमाल करेगी. You know, low angle camera work and all this happening, but I was okay with it. I don't know. It is okay. I want to know कि मैं किस हद तक जा सकती हूँ as an actor. If Naseer Sir is in the film, that means it must be interesting. After Devji and Gulal, I think this is one film which I got so much appreciation. Yes, this film is inspired by a film called Sahib Bibi Aur Ghulam. Kamal music, very good music.
एक साहिब बड़ा हठीला और बीवी बड़ी रंगीली, साहब कुछ तुनक मिजाज, बीवी जो की भड़कीली.
हमें बात करनी है साहब से, छोड़ो हमें.
I do not want to disclose, but yes, this film is inspired by a film called Sahib Bibi Aur Ghulam. The characters are inspired by that film, but it is today's film. I am playing the character of Bibi in the film, which is again inspired by the older film, the old film Sahib Bibi Aur Ghulam. But the character is very different in the sense that she's not shy. I mean, she's from a royal family, but at the same time, she's very bindas. She's very ambitious. She's very chalu.
Vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
जी, जब जैसा मौका मिलता है खा लेता हूँ.
What?
Very different and very different people. Jimmy is a very shy person. He is like chup chup रहने वाले, very sober.
गोली कितने की?
250 की बस.
गोली की कीमत तो ज्यादा होनी चाहिए ना, जान तो यही लेती है.
At the same time, Randeep is very very naughty.
क्या करने किया मैंने तेरे को खुश करने के लिए? क्या किया? मैंने तेरे लिए गिटार बजाना सीखा.
But it was fun working with both of them, you know. And then we three of us, when we are together, we really have fun because Randeep really pulls my leg a lot. And but it's fun working with them. They're both good actors. So Randeep is also from theatre. I'm from theatre, and Jimmy is a star in the sense that, you know, I have been watching him since, you know, Mohabbatein and all the good films that he has done. He's a very fine actor. And Randeep too has proved himself in Once Upon a Time in Mumbai, and he's from theatre, is working with Naseer Sir in plays and all, doing plays with Naseer Sir. So it was nice working with both of them. Very different people, and it was interesting. Amazing music, Kamal music. There's this song Jugni. जो मुझे जुगनी बुलाया गया इस फिल्म में, तो जुगनी बहुत चालाक है and stuff like that. So that's been sung by a very very dear friend of mine, Babbu Maan. He's a very famous Punjabi singer, and उन्होंने ये गाना जुगनी गाया है. Then there's another very interesting romantic song which is on Jimmy, and जो उनकी कीप है उनके ऊपर, जो अगेन मेरे बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड अभिषेक रे, उन्होंने उस गाने को you know, he has given the music for that film, for the song. And then there's a very interesting song on me and Randeep, which is Choo Choo Choo, which is very very interesting. And then there's an item number. So Kamal music, very good music.
एक साहिब बड़ा हठीला और बीवी बड़ी रंगीली, साहब कुछ तुनक मिजाज, बीवी जो की भड़कीली.
I never look at the monitor, never. Whenever I'm doing a film, I completely trust my directors. And I didn't know how it was being shown or how the, you know, shots were being taken. I didn't know anything about it. It's only after I saw the film, yes, I saw the way they were taken. But then it is Ramu sir, you know, it is his way of taking, and I appreciate the way he works. It is his point of view, and I mean, I was there with him completely. I you know, as an actor, मैं पूरा control देती हूँ directors को. Otherwise, you cannot work. You know, any film you do, you know, you have to completely trust the director, otherwise don't do the film. So similarly in this film also, I know a lot of people didn't like the angles, a lot of people told me also about it. But then I think I was okay because while doing the film also there were low angle camera work and all this happening, but I was okay with it. I don't know, it is okay. I don't think so. Not anymore. I mean, there are a lot of films where there's so much nudity happening, so much skin show happening, but the films don't do well at all. And so I don't think so that makes a difference. I really don't know what the criteria is, why the films do well and they don't do well. So I have no idea about that. But I don't think that skin show does grab the audiences. It may to some extent, because there are different kinds of people, there are different kinds of audiences. Some people may want to watch it, but not everybody wants to watch that. No, actually in Oot Patang, I wasn't doing any comedy. I think my character was serious. It wasn't, making people laugh and all.
सिगरेट तेरा बाप देगा, जलाएगी तेरी माँ.
But I want to try comedy because I have been doing the kind of films that I'm doing are very serious. I want to try a different character altogether now. I want to try comedy. I want to try dancing. So I mean I want to know कि मैं किस हद तक जा सकती हूँ as an actor. Okay, fine. Here I'm getting all the appreciation. पर क्या मैं कॉमेडी कर सकती हूँ? क्या मैं इतनी अच्छी एक्टर A से C अगर मैं सीरियस फिल्म्स कर सकती हूँ तो C के आगे am I capable of doing those kind of roles? I think that's very important for me to know now. So or even mentally, the kind of work I've been doing, I think मैं बहुत ही quiet इंसान बनती जा रही हूँ. तो I think I need to laugh more. So I think that can only come if I start doing those kind of films. But I'm happy doing this work also. No, Pansing Tomar is already over. We've already shot the film. I'm just waiting for the release. That was the first film I did with Tishu sir actually. I think Manshu Dilia ke saath. That was the first film, and this is the second film with sir. So unfortunately, that's releasing later. Yeah, but it was again a very interesting film. It's about this character called Pansing Tomar. It's again inspired by the real life character, and I play Pansing's wife. There again I have a very different character in the sense उसमें मुझे पूरा tan करके dark बनाया है. The kind of clothes that I'm wearing are very different because this woman, she is from that Rajasthan Madhya Pradesh belt, where we have all these dakus and all, and in fact Tishu sir मेरे पूरे body में मिट्टी लगाते थे, बाजू पे मिट्टी, नाखून के अंदर मिट्टी भरते थे, so that I look one of them. That was important, but it was fun doing that film. मैंने अपना पहला action sequence उसमें किया when I jumped from a very high wall, बिना किसी सहारे के. So that was exciting and adventurous. After this Sahib Biwi Gangster, there's Michael, that is gone for the Toronto Film Festival. That's with Nasiruddin Shah sir. And apart from that, Pansing Tomar I think is releasing next year again. And after that it is Buddha in a Traffic Jam that I've done with Arunoday. So the 3 more films lined up in the pipeline.